When you open the oven and see and smell these oven-baked chicken nuggets, you're gonna be thinking about your favorite chicken spot. Could be KFC, could be Mary Brown's if you're in Canada, and you're gonna be in love. So let's take a look right now. It's a really simple set of ingredients, and we're gonna have a really nice and quick marination for these cute pieces of chicken breast that I have over here. So for the marination, I have some paprika, thyme, black pepper, and garlic powder, and a touch of spray oil that's gonna go in that chicken as well. Give that all a really nice mix, and this is gonna act as the base layer for the flavoring for that chicken, because then we're gonna bread it so we have flavorings in the breadcrumbs and some in the chicken. And it's the classic breading station setup over here: flour, eggs, and panko breadcrumbs. But for the panko breadcrumbs, we will add an assortment of seasonings. Let's take a look. So here we got some cayenne, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and some thyme as well. Add that all in there and give it a good mix, and then add your chicken pieces into the flour. I'm gonna add about 10-15 of them in there, and instead of just individually breading them, just close the lid and give it a really rough and tough tumble and a toss. I find that way more efficient for breading cubed pieces of chicken. That just looks perfect. And then while you can use your hands to transfer them to the egg, what also works are some wooden bamboo skewers. Let them all take a nice dip in the eggs and then transfer it into your breadcrumbs. And what I found about breading the chicken with the shake method is the spices will stick onto the chicken much easier than the actual panko if you shake it. So you'll have something that looks a bit like this. So avoid that, and instead of shaking it, just actually individually press on the breadcrumbs onto the chicken. You can shake it all at the end, but not at the beginning. Otherwise you'll have only spices on the chicken and not the breadcrumbs that we want for an even layer of spice crumbs for a flavorful dish, and not like an overly spiced chicken. I'd say do what you want to do to make chicken look like this. As you're finally preparing your baking sheet with foil paper at the bottom, a wire rack to help circulate air all around the chicken, because yes, we are using the convection setting. My oven is at 375 Fahrenheit. Now to help brown these breadcrumbs, I'm going to spray each side of that chicken with the spray olive oil that I really enjoy using. You don't have to use as much as I am, but I'm doing it so that it simulates my favorite chicken spot. And these are looking incredible in the oven. You want to flip them halfway, and it'll take you about 15 to 18 minutes to finish cooking. And once they're done, this is what I was hearing. That really is music to my ears. It's beautiful to look at, and I'm ready to plate this up. I'm gonna enjoy this with my favorite hot sauce, but you can really use whatever you want. It's buffalo, it's ranch, there's homemade aiolis like truffle flavored aioli or spice aioli. World is your oyster. Whatever you end up doing, you are set. So enjoy this recipe and let me know what dipping sauce is a must-have for your chicken nuggets. I'll see you in the next one.